Cloud Computing class session 32. So in today's session we are going to discuss about cloud storage providers. As in the previous session we have discussed cloud storage. So in today's session we are going to see the famous organization, those who provide the cloud storage facilities and are very popular and famous for providing cloud storage facilities to the user. So first one is Amazon Simple Storage Service, Google Bigtable Data Store, Nirvanix, MobileMe and LiveMesh. So first one will see Amazon Simple Storage is very popular in providing the cloud storage. Let us discuss what unique facilities we have in all these organizations, those who are providing cloud storage. So this is best known cloud storage of Amazon Simple Storage Service, and is designed to make web scale computing easier for developers. And the interface which is designed of this Amazon S3 is very easier to understand for the developers, and that is also a reason it is popular. It provides some simple web services that can be used to store and retrieve any amount of data at any time from anywhere on the web. So very easy facilities they are providing, like how to store, how to retrieve the data, and it can be accessed easily from any time and anywhere. So due to this reason it is very popular. Next we have Nirvanix. So it uses custom developed software and file system technologies running on Intel storage. So the unique facility which it has is custom developed software. They have their own custom developed software and file system technologies, as storing of file system and storing, retrieving is very easy in this, and which is running on Intel store. So servers at 6 locations on both coast of the United States. And benefits of Nirvanix Cloud NAS. So this is the cloud of Nirvanix Cloud NAS, which is attached cloud storage, and it includes cost saving of 80 to 90% over managing traditional storage solutions, and encrypted offsite storage that integrates into existing archive and backup processes. And very unique backup processes it has. Encrypted facility they are providing even for the offsite storage, and which will be integrated with the existing backup processes. And it has built-in data disaster recovery and automated data replication. So whatever data you are storing on that, like whatever you are designing on the, or whatever you are creating on the Google, so automatic saving of data facilities available, automatic syncing, and in case of data disaster events, in this case your data will be saved and it will be recovered immediately. So these are the facilities, unique facilities of Nirvanix. Google Bigtable Data Store. So Google Bigtable is database capable of handling numerous users on an demand basis. So this is very famous for providing database facilities to the users. So based on what users demand, based on that much database facility they are providing. Bigtable was developed with very high speed, flexibility and extremely high scalability in mind. So it has very high speed, flexibility and scalability. That means they can increase the capacity of whichever services they want. A big database can be petabytes, 1000 million bytes in size and span thousands of distributed servers. So that much size it has, Bigtable database. Bigtable is available to developers as part of the Google App Engine, their cloud computing platform. So Bigtable is available to developers as a part of Google App Engine, and it is also one type of cloud platform, like where it allows the users to develop its own applications and providing the environment, providing the database where they can store a lot of data and so on. MobileMe. So MobileMe is Apple solution that delivers push email, push contact and push calendar from the MobileMe service in the cloud. So MobileMe, this is especially uh, Apple solution, and it can be used in the smartphones and all, and facilities like push email, contacts, calendar, these all facilities are available in that. Used in applications on iPhone, iPod touch, Macs and PCs. Even in systems it will be, and even in smartphone devices it can be used. MobileMe also provides a suite of ad-free web applications that deliver a desktop-like experience through any modern web browser. So it provides ad-free web applications. So we see a lot of advertisement on many websites and in between interruptions. So that is not available in this. Ad-free web applications are available and you can use it. So MobileMe applications, you can take it, means you can access it from www.me.com, and which includes mail, contacts, calendar as well as gallery. So this mail, contacts, calendar, this is very helpful for the companies where they can keep the reminders in the calendar, where they can keep a lot of contacts, their customer contacts and all business emails. So this is very helpful for the companies to store all this. So it can be also used for viewing and sharing photos, and disk for storing and exchanging documents online. So as I told you, it is very useful for the companies, businesses, and to exchanging facilities also available, sharing facility available, documents as well as photos, and also as well as viewing it online. Next is LiveMesh. LiveMesh is Microsoft Software Plus Services platform. So this is a Microsoft Software Plus Service platform, and has the following components like LiveMesh software called Mesh operating system environment is available for Windows XP, Windows Vista, Windows Mobile and Mac operating system. So this LiveMesh, it provides some ready-made components to the users to use there in their applications like LiveMesh software or some operating system environment. It will provide for Windows XP, Windows Vista, and so on. So these are the few cloud storage providers we have seen, and there are many more available, and there are also have some unique and very famous. Thank you.